Metaverse. Metaverse. What is Metaverse? And what does it mean for you? Gone are the old times when you had to see images and videos on a boring 8K 55-inch curved screen. The world has advanced, and it is already talking about putting you in the screen. This is what Metaverse is all about. The Metaverse is a virtual world that's made up of digital objects and spaces. It's like the internet, but way more immersive. You can interact with the objects and spaces in the Metaverse. To enter a Metaverse, you have to wear a headset on your eyes and boom, you are into a completely different world. You can touch the objects, feel them, talk to people, and even buy or sell anything to them. Think of it this way. The Metaverse is a digital world that's composed of products, videos, social platforms, and so on. It's an exciting virtual place where you can be anyone and do anything. Now, what can you do in the Metaverse? You will be able to attend a virtual class from the comfort of your own home. You will be able to take a virtual vacation to Hawaii sitting on your sofa, and that too in a few bucks. You will be able to see the doctor without leaving your house. Not only that, there is wonderful news for entertainment lovers. You can play, in fact, experience adrenaline rush games in real time. You can go out and meet anyone you want, of course virtually. You can even date your crush again virtually. You can meet your favorite celebrity and take unlimited photos or maybe screenshots with them. It's not over yet. You can buy lands using cryptocurrency in the Metaverse. You can build a house, a car, or a watch by purchasing their NFTs. You may go for a walk in the park and have virtual ice cream in a Metaverse. If you own a business, you can establish a training institute in the Metaverse. You can sell your products and get paid in real cryptocurrency. In short, the Metaverse is going to make another chunk of thousands of millionaires. These are the advantages that the Metaverse will offer. And these are the ones we can think of today. No surprise that the Metaverse will be used for thousands of other beneficial purposes. In the meanwhile, some people are worried that the Metaverse will isolate them from the real world, but that's not what we believe at Exodus Capital. We believe that the Metaverse will actually enhance our networking skills and help us choose our circles even better. As you know, the Metaverse is all about interacting with digital versions of people, places, and things. We have made it easy for you to learn about technology and financial trends on our website. You can get a monthly subscription for only $49.99 per month and get access to tons of financial videos from industry experts. Think of it as the Netflix of the financial world. So what are you waiting for? Grab your monthly subscription to get financially independent.